Well, hello there, everyone. I am Buck. This is Shop Talk with Buck. Appreciate you joining with me today. I wasn't going to make a video, but I got this, what do you call it, backgammon board? I've never played it, but anyway, it's got a lot of age on it. It's kind of been treated a little rough. It's been tried. You see areas where they tried to work on it, so it's been worked on before. But what I've got, the handles was broke. So I found this handle here. The latches only, it did have one that was working, but I decided I'm gonna try them and see what they look like. The corners takes the biggest abuse. These are mitered joints right here. So what I was gonna try to do is get it smoothed down and refinished. Naturally, the handles are a different size, so I got some work to do right there. And let's see, biggest thing is that, clean it up. It's broke right there, but I'm doing it for a friend to get to as a Christmas present. So the corners has a rough life. So I got these little corner protectors, a little decorative. I was going to epoxy them, put a little epoxy in it and do I got 8. Let's see, there's 4, 8. Yeah, I got 8 of them. So that when it's folded up, I'm going to do the outer runs. Also, what I was going to do is with the miter joints where I'm gluing them back together, it didn't hold the first 2 times. You know it ain't going to hold this time. So what I was going to do is put some splines in it. I was trying to get 3 splines in that. So get them about a 1/4 inch splines and get them in there in about 3 places out of oak. So I feel like they will stay then. Oh, yeah, see, that just needs to be cleaned up. That's just needs to be cleaned up. It's got a little crack right there, but that's not going to really be an issue. I'm just going to add character to it, if you know what I mean. Everything else seems to be working. I've already worked on this face right here. It was probably the worst one. It had a big crack right there. I got a little bit more to go, and I've got that really smooth. The rest of them is not that bad as far as outside's concerned, but that one cleaned up nice. I got a little work doing all of them. So what I was going to try to do, I'm going to let this set up real good. Probably work on some splines, and everything else is, for instance, the handle is wider than that one, so I'm going to get me some oak and stick her in there and get it smoothed off real good and slick. Put that new handle on it. If something don't pop up between now and when I actually put it in. Just thought I would chime in here and I'm seeing how everybody's doing. Got a little old project here. I don't have very long to work on it. I got it going to help with somebody with a podcast. First time I fool with a podcast, I'm just learning about it. You know, what makes it a podcast. Anyhow, I'm helping them set up a teleprompter. The thing about it is, I kind of got it set up, and I was going to run through it a little bit, and I sat down there and looked at it. There ain't no way that I could use, well, I don't say it's no way. I guess I could finally get used to it, but with me and a teleprompter, it sure looks robotic. It takes some practice. So I'm going to work on this backgammon board. Going to engrave their name on it and different stuff. But when I get ready to do them splines, I tell you what, I got a jig out here. I need to make sure I get all of this set up good. And when I get ready to do the splines, it won't be today. Hopefully I can get to it this week, but I will chime back in with another video and I'll show you those splines. I think that add enough strength where we'll be okay. By the time I add the corner pieces, splines, I think this will be the last time they work on it unless they drop it out of the back of the truck, drag it down the road. Yeah. Okay. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all be safe. And yeah, happy woodworking. And when I'll come back and I'll show you those splines.